Hello dear student, this is story number 4 from Hornbill class 11th. Landscape of the Soul, written by Nathalie Trubray. So dear student, in this video, firstly I want to tell you how many characters are there used in this story, and then after I will cover paragraph number first of this story in this video. So listen. In this story, there are mainly three characters are used. First character is Wu Daozi. Listen, who is Wu Daozi here? The 8th century Chinese landscape painter. Wu Daozi is the 8th century Chinese landscape painter. तो ये एक landscape painter रहते हैं. Disappeared inside his last painting. And second character is Emperor Sanzong. He admired Daozi painting but was not an active participant in it. And the character number 4 is Quentin Metzis. He was a 15th century Belgian blacksmith who changed his profession to become a delicate realist painter and marry the woman he loved by his painting, by the effect of his painting. Listen dear student, this is paragraph number first. A wonderful old tale is told about the painter Wu Daozi, who lived in the 8th century. His last painting was a landscape commissioned by the Tang Emperor Sanzong to decorate a palace wall. The master had hidden his work behind a screen, so only the emperor would see it. For a long while, the emperor admired the wonderful scene, discovering forests, high mountains, waterfalls, clouds floating in an immense sky. Men on helipads, birds in flight. Look, sir, said the painter. In this cave, at the foot of the mountain, dwells a spirit. The painter clapped his hands, and the entrance to the cave opened. The inside is splendid, beyond anything words can convey. Please let me show your majesty the way. The painter entered the cave, but the entrance closed behind him, and before the astonished emperor could move or utter a word, the painting had vanished from the wall. Not a trace of Wu Daozi brush was left, and the artist was never seen again in this world. So listen dear student, in this paragraph what our narrator, what our writer of this story want to tell you. A painter named Wu Daozi. तो इसमें जो इस कहानी में पेंटर है उसका नाम वो दाउजी है. Who lived in 8th century, was assigned to decorate a palace wall by the Tang Emperor Sanzong. तो उस पेंटर को तांग एम्पेरर सांजोंग द्वारा उसको इनवाइट किया जाता है, बुलाया जाता है, टू डेकोरेट अ पैलेस वॉल. इट वॉज हिज लास्ट पेंटिंग, और वो उसका लास्ट पेंटिंग होता है. द पेंटर हेड हिज वर्क बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन सो द ओनली एम्पेरर वुड सी इट. और उस पेंटर ने क्या किया था कि अपने वर्क को स्क्रीन के पीछे हिट कर दिया था, छिपा दिया था, और ऐसा उसने इसलिए किया था कि सिर्फ एम्पेरर ही उसके इस ग्रेट वर्क को देख सके. द एम्पेरर अपॉन looking at the painting admired many things into that painting, like discovering forest, high mountains, waterfalls, floating clouds, men on helipads and birds in flight. तो ये सारी चीज़ें उस पेंटिंग में दिखाया गया था जिसकी प्रशंसा द एम्पेरर सांजोंग कर रहे हैं. द पेंटर देन मेड हिम लुक एट अ केव। फिर पेंटर क्या करता है कि एम्पर को गुफे की तरफ ले जाता है। इन द पेंटिंग, और वो गुफा सिर्फ पेंटिंग में वो बना हुआ था, विच वॉज एट द फुट ऑफ द माउंटेन एंड कंपेयर्ड इट विथ अ लिविंग स्पिरिट। एज द पेंटर क्लैप्ड हिज हैंड्स द इंट्रेंस ऑफ द केव ओपन। और जैसे ही पेंटर अपने क्लैप करता है, अपने हैंड्स को क्लैप करता है, तो उसमें जो केप बना हुआ था पेंटिंग में, उसका एंट्रेंस गेट ऑटोमेटिक ओपन हो जाता है। एंड ही लेट द एम्पेयर नो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इनसाइड ऑफ द केप वॉज, एंड ही आस्क्ड हिम टू शो ऑल दिस टू हिम। द पेंटर entered the cave and the entrance closed him. The emperor couldn't enter the cave, as the emperor was greatly surprised. The painting vanished from the wall. After that, the painter was never seen again. So, dear student, I will explain the next paragraph of this story. The story is very interesting story, and I will continue the rest of the paragraph in my next video. Thank you for watching.